Hey guys, this is Gina here to do a quick review today on this men's long-sleeved shirt. It's got the collar, as you can see, and just full disclosure, company reached out to me and asked for a review, and that will in no way impact my review, so here it goes. This is the blue, as you can see. It actually comes in multiple colors. It's very, very lightweight. It's very soft material, so very comfy. And then, as you can see, it's got the collar. Now he has a dress shirt on underneath that, so then he's got the 3 buttons, so you can either button it all the way to the top or just be a little bit more casual and have that. It does also have a pocket that is fully functional, and he's going to turn around so we can get a better idea. But very, very comfortable, very just soft material. Again, this is a men's size medium. You could wear that easily under either a light jacket or a heavy jacket. And so if you have any questions, I hope that answers them.